I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of your HP OfficeJet 8012 all-in-one printer. Switch on the printer and we have to go to the display panel, select the language, confirm it, select the country of residence and confirm. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges, so press OK button. Now I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in this printer. For that we simply remove the outer packaging. So you can cut it with the scissor. Make sure you also remove the seals which is here. So you just have to do like this. Now we have to remove this orange cap. So you just have to twist it like this. And do it for all of these ink cartridges. To install the setup ink cartridges, we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So push this side and ink cartridge chamber is below this. So you have to push it up from this place. You will see ink cartridge chamber here. Now to install the ink cartridges, simply match the alphabets and the color. So the black goes like this. So place it here until the nozzle goes there and press it down. It will lock here. Close the ink cartridge chamber door. Click OK. Load A4 size sheet in the paper tray. Adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here. Click on the continue button to do the print head alignment. Next thing is to scan this page. So open the top scanner lid. Place this page facing downwards like this and make it on the upper side and click on the scan button and wait for the alignment to be done. Alignment is successful. Now we can click OK and go for further setup. On the next screen you will see it says get the HP software to do the setup. You can do that, or you can just simply skip it and just press this question mark. Next step is to click on the network setup. You can do the wireless setup now, or if you want to do it later, you can just click on the connect later button. Click OK. Once we click OK button, you will see the main screen appears here and you can start the copy function from here. And to do that, simply click on the copy button, select a document, place the page facing downwards here on this corner and click the green icon which is on the touch screen panel and it will start the copy. Overall, I can say it's very easy to set up the printer. Within few minutes you can start using it. But if you want to use it for wireless printing and scanning, then you can use the Wi-Fi setup. And if you do not have a home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use the Wi-Fi direct setup, which is printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system, and then you can do the printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.